Hi friends, Merly here and welcome back to my channel. I am growing a garden in Zone 7, Kentucky. This video is about starting moringa seeds indoor. So as we can see in here, our seed starting activities are in full swing and we have grown some peppers, basil, we've started the tomato seeds, some other herbs, and we can see that they are in different stages. These summer plants are not yet ready to come out of the house, so I will be keeping them in my grow station for a few weeks. I also have a tray of peppers that are germinating on top of a seed mat, and I ran out of room in my grow shelf, so I had to put some of the trays on the table. And here I just prepared a tray full of germinating mix. It's important that the germinating mix is sterile, and I have put the germinating mixes in 3-inch deep pots. Usually I use 72 cell trays. However, since moringa grows big and moringa has big seeds, then I chose to start them in the 3-inch pots right away so I don't have to pot these seedlings. This 1020 tray can hold 32 of the 3-inch square pots. So what I do is, after preparing the germinating mix, so you're gonna have to add water to the germinating mix, and then I poke holes in the center of the germinating mix and put the seeds in it, and then I use my pencil, which I use to poke holes. I also use it to push the seeds down. You can use this method for bigger seeds like moringa, snow peas. You can even use this for squash seeds, pumpkins, watermelon seeds, as long as they're big enough that you can push it with a pencil, and then you can use the pencil now to put or move the germinating mix over the seed that you have pushed into the center of the square pot. Or you can use round pots or any available container that you have. Growing moringa is not very complicated at all, because all you have to do is to germinate the seeds indoor. About mid-March in my Zone 7 Kentucky garden, you have to adjust your seed starting schedule depending on where you live. And so here I am covering the rest of the seeds with the germinating mix using a pencil. And you have to make sure that the seed is totally covered and not showing up so that you can germinate the seed better. If you're wondering where I got the seeds from, I ordered this pack of moringa seeds off Amazon. The next thing that I do is to take this tray outside and then spray the top of it with water. Now again, you can only do this method if you are growing bigger seeds. This is not gonna work with peppers and tomato seedlings, because then those seeds are super duper small and they will probably float if you spray water on top of it. Because I ran out of room in my grow station indoor, I had to take the tray to my greenhouse. As long as we don't get freezing temperatures, these moringa seeds should be fine inside the unheated greenhouse. And here in 10 to 14 days, they should germinate and grow into a beautiful plant. If you enjoy this content, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you'll never miss a video. Thank you for watching and happy gardening!